Hey, what's up? Checking out this house in Covington, Louisiana. It's on the market. They're asking $115,000 for it. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath, vinyl siding on a slab. It was a foreclosure. See, that's the color of the siding. It's actually pretty clean. Just pressure wash all this and it'd be good to go. So this is an example of a different kind of investment strategy. They want my feedback from the showing. This property does not need a lot of work. That being said, it's also not listed at much of a discount. So you see all the carpet's really dirty. That would have to get replaced. A lot of times with these properties, you can get away with just cleaning the carpet. But as you see over here, it's not even put down. So they were thinking about changing the floors. But this is an example of getting a property, and some call it wholetailing it, rather than wholesaling or retailing it. And that means just cleaning it up, getting it ready for an end buyer, but giving them some equity in it. So you're kind of passing on the value to them. Let's check out this kitchen. So it's not going to be the nicest house on the block, but it's going to be affordable for somebody to get in and have some equity in the home. All right, this is not my strategy, so I try not to get too distracted with it. This is the backyard. See, there's no fences on these. Oh, that's a fence. There's one fence. Try not to get too distracted. There's a million different ways to make money in real estate. The most successful investors in real estate or not. Here's the AC. Now, what I thought was interesting, MFD is manufacture date, 0202. So this is from before Hurricane Katrina, which I've looked at a lot of houses and I've never seen an AC that made it through Katrina on the North Shore. Walking through the forest. So I'm curious about the roof. See some patchwork up there. Well, for the most part, that roof looks pretty old. It's probably the original roof. That's, do the math on that. 16 years old, which isn't bad for a roof, except that it's been through a few hurricanes. All right, let's check out the rest of the house. So I was talking about investing strategies. The best investors, the most successful over time, are ones that find a strategy and stick to it. And what that allows you to do as an investor is make your decision one time. So you decide that something based on its criteria is a good investment, and you don't have to make that decision over and over and over. It's either a hell yes or it's a no. And it's a hell yes because it fits your criteria. Little bedroom. So all they would have to do to this place is new carpet. You touch up the paint, you don't paint it. Yeah, these colors are ugly. Purple ceilings, green walls. That's crazy. They're ugly, but the person moving in who's getting equity in the house, they're more interested in a discount rather than the aesthetics. We already looked. There's not much to see on this house, a little 3-2. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this. There is money to be made on this house if we get it at the right price. However, it's just not my strategy. So I'm going to pass on it. But that's all I got. Thank you guys for watching. Later.